Good morning to all dear students. Today we are going to solve class 8 Maths chapter number 5 exercise 5.1. Question number first. Okay, open your textbook page number 76 and come on the question number first. What says question number first? For which of these would you use a histogram to draw the data? There are some problems. We have to decide, we have to tell that which problem we can use histogram to show the data. Okay, first problem number A of question first. The number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. The number of letters in different areas in a postman's bag. In a postman's bag. We can draw a histogram to show this data or not. Histogram can be drawn only for this data, which data can be divided into class intervals. Okay, which can be divided into class intervals and regular class interval. Okay, so for this observation we cannot group or divide the data into class intervals, so we cannot draw a histogram to show these data. Okay, so answer is we cannot draw or use a histogram to show the data Okay, use a histogram to show the data because the reason because we cannot the data cannot divided into class intervals. Okay, problem number B. The heights of a competitors in an athletics meet. Height of competitors. For this problem we can divide the data into class intervals. So the answer will be we can use a histogram to show the data because the data can be divided into class intervals. into class intervals. Correct this. Into class intervals. And problem number C. The number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. We cannot divide these data into class intervals. For problem number C, we cannot divide these data into class intervals. So we cannot use histogram to show this data. Okay. And problem number D. Answer of the problem number D same as problem number B, because we can divide the data into class intervals, so histogram can be used to show this data. Okay. Homework. Solve question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Solve question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.